Hello, so we're gonna make a coding thing where okay, so this is how you do it. So you make the computer choose a random number, and how you do that is import random as r. Well, you don't need to do as r. As r just means that the name is gonna be r instead of random. Okay, now we're gonna make uh, uh, a variable called computer num, which is equal to r.randint. Randint is basically like random int, and int is and it's basically almost the exact same thing as range, except it's not. And why we did r is because the random's name is r, because we made it r. But if we delete as r, we have to name it. We have to call it random dot random. Okay, now what we want to do is make another variable. Now we're gonna make user input, which is called user guess, which is equal to int input, enter a number, and then we are going to use if statements to see if the computer num is greater. So, well, first we're going to do if computer, that's called computer num is greater than user guess. We're gonna print you lose. And if you want to, you can put an emoji like this. Okay, so if you want to, you can put an emoji, as I said, but that's just if you want to. So now we're gonna do elif computer num is less than user guess. It's gonna print you lose. And then we can just copy and paste this. Oh no, copy and paste that. And now we're gonna do else print. Oh, this is you win, but we cannot put it as you win because we also have to make a draw. So we're gonna do draw right here, and we're gonna delete that, and it's gonna print else you win. So, oh yeah. So since we have a draw now, we also have to put a you lose again. Wait, no. We have to do you win, actually, because so if the number is greater, then it's going to be you win. So we're going to change this lose to win. And then we're going to change this win to lose. And then make a space right there. Okay, now when you run this, you'll get a perfect thing just like this. Oh yeah, you have to put the computer's numbers too, so we'll do that. And that's the output on the console. So see you